Welcome friends. In this video, we will be talking about what is the time and its answer in Kashmiri. So let's get going. Kuch baje ye? Waqt kya aav? Time kya aav? Are three different ways of asking what is time in Kashmiri. When the clock has the perfect hour, we simply say the hour and baje. For example, z baje, tre baje, chor baje, sat baje, and so on. In case the time is not a perfect hour, we say the hour and the minute. For example, bah bajit 5 minute, ak bajit 10 minute, z bajit 20 minute, tre bajit 5 minute, chor bajit 20 minute, and so on. The next rule is when the small hand of the watch or the clock is on 15 minutes. When such a thing happens, we use a word called as sod or swad. For example, sod z baje, sod tre baje, sod chor baje, sod 5 baje, and so on. When the small hand is on the 30 minute in the watch, we say sad, and the hour sad tre baje, sad chor baje, sad 5 baje, sad she baje. There are two exceptions to this rule. When it is 2:30, we do not say sad z, we say dai baje. In the same way, when it is 1:30, we do not say sad ak, we say dod baje. The next rule is when the small hand is on 45th minute of the clock. In this case, we say dun and we add the next hour. For example, when it is 5:45, we say dun she. It is 4:45, we say dun 5, and so on, like dun 7, dun 8, dun 9, dun 10, and so on. Let's recap. There are 5 major rules of saying the time in Kashmiri. Number 1, when it is the full hour, you simply say the number in Kashmiri and baje, like 5 baje. Rule number 2, when it is 15 minutes past an hour, you say sod and the hour and baje, like sod tre baje. Rule number 3, when it is 30 minutes past the hour, you say sad hour and baje, like sad tre baje. Number 4, 45 minutes past the hour, you say dun hour and baje, dun tre baje. And the last, which is applicable to almost every other case, is bajit minute, like 5 bajit 10 minute. That's all in today's lesson about time in Kashmiri language. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on the red button now. See you in the next lesson.